Proven health benefits of garlic: let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Those are famous words from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine. He actually used to prescribe garlic to treat a variety of medical conditions. Modern science has recently confirmed many of these beneficial health effects. Here are health benefits of garlic that are supported by human research. 1. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis, in food or raw, helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulphur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. Antibacterial and anti-parasitic too. Garlic is one of the best-kept medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Studies suggest diluted garlic extract helps children with tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash may not sound like fresh, minty breath, but a very small quantity of its extracts is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. 3. Cancer prevention. Several studies have indicated an association between daily consumption of garlic and prevention of stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. 4. Splinters. Many of garlic's astounding uses were forgotten in the folds of time, but users, and believers, still vouch for the lesser-known benefits. One of them is against stubborn splinters. Place a piece of cut garlic over the splinter cut and cover with a bandage and voila! Bye-bye splinter. Caution. 1. Asthma patients should not consume garlic as it may have side effects. 2. Garlic should be avoided before surgeries or medical operations. 3. Do not consume more than 2 to 3 garlic cloves in a day without consulting a doctor. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more interesting content. See you soon. Bye for now.